Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to a brand new vlog. Today is actually Friday. It is Friday, about 10:30. I feel like I just need like a headband to get all this hair off me, but I don't know where my gym headband is. So I don't know when I put my winter headband on. Oh, what a life, guys! What a life. Right, I'm just gonna have to put this one on because I feel like I need all my hair away from me. Right, so it is Friday. Why are you starting the vlog so late, Soph? Wow. I was actually meant to make this vlog a, what's that word? Like a home makeover vlog. I think I'm still gonna do that video, but it might just be a separate like little video because I want to do the big bathroom and like the living room and that. But anyway, the reason why I'm gonna vlog, and it probably will only be today I vlog, so it might just be like a nice little daily vlog, day in the life of SophieBBeauty. So this morning I had my hospital phone call appointment. I've been trying to get this appointment since December, and it got pushed back 2 times through COVID, and then the 3rd time they just changed it to an over the phone instead of not in store, in-person appointment. Oh my god, sorry. Right, so I had that this morning, and they're gonna send me a letter to get a CT scan, and then we will talk about surgery. He said that the only outcome will be one of 2 surgeries. So regardless, if I want to fix my problem, I'm gonna have to get surgery. You guys might be asking, Soph, is your problem that bad for you to get surgery? Yes, it is. I am constantly sniffing. I edit it out so much and it annoys me. I always sound like I'm out of breath when I'm trying to walk and talk because I can't breathe from my nose. And I think it makes me just feel really self-conscious because I'm a big girl anyway, so I feel like people might think that I just can't breathe because I'm really fat, but it's more because I can't breathe because I generally cannot breathe through my nose. I have such bad headaches all of the time, like 2 or 3 times a week minimum. I will get migraines that are so severe. Anyway, so we're gonna just have the scan anyway and just see what they say, because he might not even be like, it's not that bad, but we'll see. Also, some news. I have 2 sets of news to tell you. 1, I can go back to work. Woohoo! Now I know this is deja vu to a couple of weeks ago when I was prepping to go back to work, but it got announced yesterday that all close contact beauty can resume unless you're in a local lockdown. Anyway, the beauty industry is back. We are back. Also, I was on Channel 4. I got interviewed on Tuesday morning on the phone, and then they came in and saw me on Wednesday for a face-to-face interview, social distance, face mask, the whole shebang. And I was on Channel 4 News on Wednesday night. It was crazy. It was so crazy. Sorry, I'm so sweaty. It was so crazy. I got to be a voice for close contact beauty, which is so incredible for me. You guys who are familiar with me, familiar with my channel, sorry if it's really loud by the way, it's so hot, I have to have the window open, are very much aware that I am extremely comfortable and happy with using my mouth and speaking on situations. And this has been one of the situations that I have extremely been passionate about because obviously it affects my job, it affects my life, everything like that, and I managed to speak up on it, so I'm absolutely over the moon. Thank you to— Right, my camera just died, so I'm just on my phone. I just want to finish this little segment before we continue with the day, because obviously I'm just in the middle of talking on my camera. But yeah, thank you to everyone who watched, thank you to everyone who supported. I know that so many of you guys have supported me throughout this whole ordeal, this whole journey, this whole ride that we've been on, that I've been on, that the beauty industry has been on. It means so much, honestly. But I am excited to be able to go back to work soon. I just can't believe how it was done. It was so last minute, but then I was like, they wouldn't have done it any other way, would they, really? Because before they gave us notice and they cut it away from us last minute, so they would let us know last minute as well. But yeah, you guys, I'm so over the moon. I'm so happy. I'm so excited. I just feel like there's so much that I'm like grateful for. I'm grateful in like before all this anyway. There's so much I was grateful for anyway, but I just feel like like this is now my time. Like I've just graft. I got my nails done as well. Look how fit. But yeah, you guys, it's incredible, and I'm so happy for everything. So in this vlog, it's just gonna be kind of like a day in the life vlog. So I'm gonna vlog a little bit more than I usually do in a day, and then I also need to film the bedroom makeover and the living room makeover. Now, what I will probably do is put my camera on to charge for a bit, make myself a coffee, answer some messages with Marshmallow, and then I'm gonna film cleaning this room. Look at this room, oh my god. And then my desk, oh my god. Like, I'm gonna be honest with you guys, I've barely been here. I've barely been even in this room. I've barely even been home. I've had such a chaotic week sorting things out, and I've been going from this place to that place to this place to that place, and the house is just, it's taking a back seat. The bedroom looks the same, the living room looks, it's just crazy. I just have not even cared because I have, ew, my mouth looks disgusting, because I have just been so busy. But anyway, I think that's what I'm gonna do, is just charge the camera, recoup, get ready for the day, prep, and then clean this room, and then we'll tackle the bedroom. Right then, this is the situation we have. That was from the beach the other day. My clothes rod is still down. I'm gonna put you guys here, and I'm gonna clean this room with you. So, you know, enjoy. scared of those spideys. Hello. We live next to the river. So we have so many spiders all the time. I am back from, sorry, my balloons are blocking any light I have. I am back from the salon. I am just watching cleaning videos on YouTube. Day in the life of me. I watch cleaning videos. I'm currently watching Amanda, aka This Crazy Life. I'm watching hers, and then I'm gonna pack for Cornwall. Not Cornwall, Glasgow, which we'll do together as well. But yeah, that's just all I'm doing is I'm sitting there watching that, chilling. Oh my god, my camera just did something so weird. I thought I broke it. Hello. Right, I'm about to pack, but I stopped off at Tesco's on my way back from the salon and I brought some stuff from F&F. I brought a jumper. It is like a white v-neck, like a lowish v-neck, ribbed jumper. So I'm actually going to take that to Scotland with me. Debating whether I should take a bag or my suitcase. I'm going to take my suitcase, because I bring a pair of shoes, a change of shoes, and a pair of leggings, because like I said, I'm not going to Primark for leggings and nothing else. Right, I'm gonna pack for Glasgow, so I'm gonna get my suitcase and then we'll pack together. I need to pack my toiletries, makeup. I'm only gonna take brows and bronzer, and that's literally it. Tomorrow, and pants, but they're all drying. So I've got my laptop, my charger, sandals, a t-shirt, my new jumper, jeans and pajamas, and then underwear there. And I should do the rest tomorrow. Because like I said, it's all my underwear that's drying, my toiletries that I'll use tomorrow, and my brows and bronzer, which again I'll use tomorrow. But that is it, guys. That has been a day in the life. That's all I pretty much do. I'm gonna leave it here. I know that I haven't uploaded for a while. By that I just mean 1 week. This week was just absolutely hectic, but next week I am going to be doing filming, obviously, and pre-filming for when I get back to work, so that there's this content. I have quite a few ideas, but I'm always open to hearing more suggestions, so feel free. But yeah, I'm gonna call it a day, a night, whatever it is, a vlog here, and then I'll edit this when I get to Scotland. Have I just made those lashes way worse? I don't really feel like I have, haven't I? Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this little mini what I get up to in a day, because I know in the vlogs you don't always see everything. But yeah, that's it. I will see you guys throughout the week. Bye.